You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase that is used in ballet. If you want to learn more vocabulary from ballet dancing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up, so absolutely stay tuned until the end of the video. French pronunciation is pas, which is a step with a silent S, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Therefore, in English, it's usually pronounced as pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.